You will love the features of this 2023 Honda Odyssey. Look forward to even the most ordinary outings when you drive this sleek, comfortable Odyssey. Its smart tech keeps you safe and connected, while its thoughtful interior features assure a relaxing, peaceful passenger experience. It's so powerful and nimble that you may forget you're driving a minivan. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, navigation system, moonroof, fog lamps, heated mirrors, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, power liftgate, power passenger seat. Your family deserves the best in safety and comfort. Take the Honda Odyssey out for a test drive today.